Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be something very interesting. Been waiting for this shit for so long. I ordered this car part right here like last month, and you know, I had some problems with the company, but now they're here, you know what I'm saying? And I'm fucking ready to install them. You know what I'm saying? This is how the Z is currently looking right now. Wet as always, but you know, it needs that extra touch, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys have any ideas, comment that shit down below. You know what I'm saying? You always gotta be organized with your tools. Actually, I got the shit at Harbor Freight. They're not the best sockets, but you know what I'm saying, they will do for what I'm doing to the Z. But you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the gloves. Gotta be all organized and shit. Oh, that shit's not organized, but fuck it. Yeah. Harbor Freight for the win. Bam. So if you follow me on IG, you guys should know what's in that box. I'm always talking about it. You know what I'm saying? I need a bigger brake kit, so I want to go ahead and purchase the Akebonos for my Z. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna be going ahead and installing the Akebonos because it's a must in the Z. I didn't want to go with the Brimbos because I felt like they were too small, and I do have the 370 Nismo wheel, so might as well go with the Akebonos to match with it, you know. So I did get these types of I don't know if you can see it, rotors. Kabam! Kabam! I don't know why the fuck this shit turned like a brownish color. They're the same ones, but I don't know why this one's like silver and this one's like kind of like brownish. But that's just gonna get like away when I start braking and shit, so I don't go fuck. So I did order the 350Z, like the adapters for them, so that's a must. Okay, got the brake pads, front and rear, and I got stainless steel brake lines, must have too. So fuck, bro. It's just hard with your hand. Kabam! You know I had to get them in red, so sheesh. Damn, can y'all see the vision though? Damn, these are fucking heavy and huge. Literally the size of my hand. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, you know, put it on jack stands and fucking get working. So update after let's say 3 hours. Only got one side done. This side the rear is very simple. It's literally just take off like these two bolts in the back and slap on the caliper and the rotor, boom, and it should be it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Gotta do this side. I'm having trouble to do the front ones because of the adapter, but I'll get through it. Now I'll go ahead and do this one real quick. This new rotor is obviously bigger than my last shitty rotor, so I'm gonna need to cut all this off in order to fit the new rotor because this one's literally bigger than this. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Cut all this off. I don't have a grinder, but I'm gonna use it with this shit. It's gonna do the same thing, but a little more uglier. Fuck it. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Day 2 of installing my Akebono brakes. I came to O'Reilly's because yesterday I stripped one of the bolts, my fucking dumbass, and bought some new ones. Hopefully these fit. Had to get that monster because it's fucking early and I'm asleep right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna show you guys the process of the Z. It's looking fucking sick as shit. Come on, okay, my cut. Bro, that shit looks sick as fuck. But this is how the Z is currently sitting down. I did this side pretty easy. This is the one I stripped the fucking bolt, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on real quick. And yeah, I did this side yesterday, which is pretty sick. You know what I'm saying? Bling bling. Damn, she looks badass. I just gotta do this side. Did it yesterday, which is pretty easy. A little recap for y'all. The rear were pretty easy. All you had to do is those 2 bolts in the back and just slap on the caliper. And yeah, this side should be easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this front side. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this side, because I don't think I showed you guys how to do the other side. But this one's like a little bit more difficult because of the adapter, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard. This adapter goes here, which is pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? It literally just like hugs this part and just putting the 2 bolts in, plus this little thing right here, which lets the caliper sit on it, and then you install the bolt into the caliper and through the adapter. Yes sir, that's how it goes. And I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna put on the rotor and then have that shit good, and then put on the caliper right now. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, damn, you put it in there wrong, but it doesn't really matter what way you put it. That's what the instructions said. I'm putting it this way because it looks cool. It's good you don't scratch this bitch though. That's right. That's that, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta tighten down the bolts and we should be cool. We just literally slap it on. Make sure this shit's always up though, because this is where you bleed the brakes from. Not on the bottom, because I see some fools that put it in the bottom. You're a fucking idiot. But yeah, make sure these are always up on all of them. Yeah, I forgot my... Hey, bro, relax. Got my mask, you know what I'm saying? Shit sucks that we gotta be wearing masks and shit, because I'm so used to... We're all so used to just walking outside of our house without no fucking mask, you know what I'm saying? Always forget this shit. Yeah, it sucks, but hopefully all this shit's over. Bruh, y'all can't say that shit don't look fire though. They look fucking sick. But I need the center caps because that's just gonna bug me later on. But that's just not my priority right now though. Yeah, so this is how the Z is currently looking right now. Looks fucking amazing. I need some red seats though. But yeah, the fucking car drives amazing. Fucking sick. I just need to break them in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, fucking brakes, stop, fucking good. Looks amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the Z like this for a while because there's nothing else I want to change. I really want to rock this setup for a while. But yeah, all I need to do is buy that carbon fiber trunk and I should be cool. Maybe get red seats, but I'm not sure about that. So I got one monster there, another one there, another one there. I fucking love white monsters. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I wasn't trying to make this video like a how-to. I was just showing you guys the process of me installing my brakes. I don't want the channel to be a how-to. I just want to fuck around and, you know, do shit. Peace.